Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to return a read receipt later in Gmail on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail and access your inbox. Step 2. Check your emails and look for the message that indicates a sender has requested a read receipt. Step 3. Open the specific message that contains the read receipt request. Step 4. When prompted to send the read receipt, choose the option Not Now. By selecting this option, you can return the read receipt later. The system will ask you again the next time you open the message, and there you have it. You've successfully learned how to return a read receipt later in Gmail on your PC. This feature allows you to manage your read receipts more effectively and respond to them at your convenience. Remember, returning a read receipt later gives you the flexibility to respond when it's most convenient for you, ensuring efficient communication with the sender. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.